Stratford is full of history and it's Shakespeare's birthplace, and I've been to the theatre to see Midsummer Night's Dream. It was really good.
I think Stratford-upon-Avon is the best town in England.
Stratford is a safe place, nice place.
The school is very nice, the atmosphere and environment is fantastic.
We all share everything here. We just like a big family. I love here.
I know a lot of people because all the students here is from a different country, and I can know all the students and all the teachers here.
So, listen to the words on the CD, then repeat. Focus on the sounds that we use to link the words together.
I don't know if you know my name.